Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to do a quick little video, show you guys, kind of walk you through how to log into Electude. Electude's a new program that we're going to be utilizing during the distance learning. Now, I've sent everyone an email. If you can find the email, this is what it's going to look like. It says how to log into Electude, and I sent two links. The first link is actually a YouTube link, also kind of going over what we're about to do if you guys still can't really get how to log in. But the more important one is this bottom one that says uei.electude.com. So you're gonna click on that link, and then it's gonna send you to the actual portal to log into Electude. Now obviously for you guys are gonna click on student. When you click on student, it's going to send you to another screen, and it says username and password. Username is gonna be your guys' ID number, and your password is actually going to be student1. Student1 is going to be all lowercase. It's going to look just like this, but obviously in the password block. It's going to look just like that. And when you log in, it's going to send you to a main, basically like another main portal where you guys are going to be able to start accessing all your information. And it's going to look a little bit something like this. Now, each student is going to obviously have their own little window, and each module is going to be split up into 4 weeks. So we have mod 180, so that's the mod we're in right now. We're on week 2. When you click on week 2, it'll pop up with kind of what you're going to be going over for each one. So it's each little mini module in the main module itself. So you guys are going to go over each one of the planetary gear sets, single planetary gear sets, torque converters, series hybrid, and hybrid quiz. Now, each one of these is going to monitor you guys' time on it. So it'll tell you how much time you spent on it and how much progress. Each module, it has an average time limit, not a time limit, but a duration for each one. So if we go over mod 180 week 1, so it's showing you just a few minutes for each one of these modules, but add it up into an entire limit, it'll show you how much each module is. So let me see here. We go to week 1. So each one here, is showing you the portion. Then we go over courses, and then we go self-made. All right, sorry, I'm still learning how to navigate as well. So we go mod 180, and you can see each week is actually broken down into about the time it should take you to go through it. Now, week 1 is gonna be about 2 hours long. Week 2 is about 1 hour long. So it ranges from time, the amount of time and how many modules or how many portions are in each one. When you guys do go over each one, take your time on it. Just because it says 51 minutes doesn't mean you have to take 51 minutes, or it doesn't mean you have to take that long. If you're breezing by it real quick, then feel free to do it in a lot shorter time, but just don't breeze by it super quick. And it shows the progress about what other portions you actually need improvement on. So it'll show you, what you understand and what you actually, need help on. And if I were to, log in, it says, like right here, Miguel. I'm just using a quick example. It'll show up with mod 180, and it'll give you about the time that you spent for, each one of the modules. So it's a pretty cool program for you guys to get a virtual understanding. It's called a virtual lab. Very interactive. They got animated images to show you fluid flow and how certain parts work, and it definitely is a great program. We need to take a lot of advantage of this program. This is only, we're only gonna be using this pretty much for distance learning. Once we get back into class, we're not gonna be using this anymore. So I would highly suggest grasping, all the information you can from this. If you guys do have any questions, please feel free to give me a text, give me a call. If you can't log in, I can walk you guys through how to do it. And if you guys do have any questions, when you pop into each one of these little small modules, it'll pop up with a little question bar. And that question bar, if you want, you can put in a question, say, hey, I'm having trouble at this section, number 1, or section 1, chapter 2, question 1. And if you put in the question, what you're having an issue with, send it out, the regional director actually gets the question, and he can actually he'll help walk you through it as well. But if you're consistently running into issues and you're not quite understanding it, he will let me know, and also I can monitor your guys' progress on what you need help on. So, you're not going to be left in the dark. We have a lot of resources and we have a lot of help that, for you guys. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free, give me a call, send me a text, email me, carrier pigeon, whatever it takes, you guys. Alrighty, I'll talk to you guys later.